Hello, teacher.
Yes, good evening. Okay, I will share to you the screen now.
Okay.
Can you see this? Yeah. Hindi man sakit. Totoo.
Yeah, okay, teacher.
Okay, so we have here, our topic is about clothing. Okay, so here, the topic about clothing. So we have vocabulary words, Caroline. So we have dress, skirt, blouse, high heels, sandals, gloves, pajama, trousers, and sweater. So these are the different vocabulary words. Okay, so these, Caroline, are the different, uh, what do you call that? Clothing. Clothing. So what clothing do you prefer to wear?
Yes.
What clothing do you prefer to wear? Do you prefer to
Um,
wear? Or the one that you like the most to wear?
I like to wear short
Yeah,
and
short. Ah, you're comfortable in wearing shorts, Caroline?
yes,
Okay, how about shirt? T-shirt. T-shirt.
t-shirt. Yes, I like to wear too.
Okay, that's good. So we have here the word of grammar. I know you're very easy for you. Okay. So what are you wearing today, Caroline?
Today I'm wearing a short and a t-shirt.
Okay, you're wearing a shirt and a t-shirt. Good. Do you like to wear something formal?
Yes.
Okay. Do you like to wear something formal? Hmm?
Uh, yeah.
Do you like to wear something formal? Formal dress?
I don't understand.
Like the way to it something formal, like dress, like uh formal attire when you go to the party.
Hmm, I don't understand.
Yeah, like example, when you go to the party, when you go to any party, what to dress you will gonna wear? You will gonna wear maybe a gown, maybe a formal dress, something that is elegant, something that is beautiful, something that is unique, right? Of course, you will
Yeah.
not wear shorts. So that's formal. Okay. So do you like sweaters, Caroline?
Yes, I love it. I like it.
Okay. Do you like wearing jeans in the summertime?
No, it's made me feel hot.
Okay. Okay. So what did you wear during summer?
I usually wear a polo shirt.
Polo shirt? Huh? Polo
Yeah, it's
shirt, Caroline? Shirt.
I mean a shirt.
Yeah, shirt. Okay, I can see you really love. How about jeans? Do you like to wear jeans?
No.
No. Okay. Now we have here the task. Okay. So please try to identify this dress accordingly. Okay, let us keep this one very easy for you. Okay, this one. Please try to lessen this.
like this blouse?
Yes. That blouse is beautiful.
Thank you. What about these shoes? Do you like them?
I like those shoes. I really like those shoes.
And what about this dress?
I really like that dress.
You do?
You look like a movie star. Julia Roberts.
I see. And this skirt?
That skirt is very nice.
Bob. Bob!
What?
What about these sweaters?
I like those sweaters. Those sweaters are beautiful.
Thank you.
Okay. So did you hear that? Okay. So Caroline, please try to read that one. Then after a while, okay, tell me if you're done reading. This is the conversation of Cheryl and Bob.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. One. So Cheryl is asking to Bob and Paul about her dress, the blouse, the shoes, okay, like that. Okay, next one.
Okay.
Okay. So here Cheryl is asking about the skirt. And okay. Okay, about the sweater that Paul and Bob is thinking that it's beautiful. So we have here the questions about the video. Okay, please try to answer these questions, but for that, I will play the video again. But it seems that the two boys are not serious in answering the questions. That one.
Okay.
Do you like this blouse?
Yes. That blouse is beautiful.
Thank you. What about these shoes? Do you like them?
I like those shoes. I really like those shoes.
And what about this dress?
I really like that dress.
You do.
You look like a movie star. Julia Roberts.
I see. And this skirt?
That skirt is very nice.
Bob. Bob!
What?
What about these sweaters?
I like those sweaters. Those sweaters are beautiful.
Thank you.
Okay, please answer the questions.
Okay, where's me? I'm done.
Okay. Oh, number one.
One.
Does Bob like the blouse in the video?
Yes, she do. Yes, he does.
Yes, he does. Okay. What does Bob think about the skirt?
I think it's very nice.
Very beautiful. But the question, did Bob really see that it's a skirt?
What?
Did Bob really see that it is a skirt or no?
No. Yes, yeah.
No. No, because it's not actually a skirt. It's a paper bag with a sweaters on it. Okay, it's paper bag. Okay, and you see it's a
Okay.
big paper bag, and then it doesn't. What is inside the paper bag is a sweater, two sweater. Okay, now what do Bob and Paul think about the shoes?
They like the shoes.
Hmm? And
They
then
like the shoes.
you like the shoes. Who looks like a movie star?
Cheryl.
Is Cheryl. And whose movie star is that? They're comparing with.
The movie Julia Roberts.
Okay, it's Julia Roberts, the famous American actress. Do you think the men were honest in their opinions?
No.
No, yeah, why? Why do you think they're not honest?
They really. Oh,
They're not honest because
because they didn't see the clothes.
okay, they're not honest because
Because
they
they
don't,
didn't see.
yeah, they did not see anything that they try to that Cheryl tried to ask. Okay. It was not actually an honest opinion because they did not see it, right? Was
Yes.
not an honest opinion. Now, okay. So here, okay. So here, look at this. Over to you. What is she wearing? Take turns describing people at the party and guessing who they are. Say what each person is wearing. Okay, letter A. Sample. The woman is wearing a skirt. Is she wearing a t-shirt? No, she isn't. Is she wearing a glasses? No, she isn't. Okay, so who do you think being referred to this conversation?
Monica.
Okay, it is Monica. Okay, this one. Monica was being referred in the picture. Okay. Monica is wearing a skirt, a pink skirt. And Monica is not wearing a glasses, but she's wearing a scarf. It is actually Monica. Okay, so we have questions, Caroline. Now, Caroline, do you often try clothes on when shopping? Example, you shop like the girl. Do you wear that one? Do you try to put it try on? Or
Yes.
you will just get it and then pay for it?
Yes, I was.
Okay, so we have or you have to try on the clothes that you want to buy. Oh, why do you think, Caroline, that you want to try on? Why do you think it's important to try on? Because,
Wait.
go Caroline. So why do you think it is important to try on the dress that we want to buy?
Um.
Why? Because, or so that you will feel sure that the dress that you want to buy will really fit on you. That's important. Very important, Caroline. Okay, you have to check. Oh, is this dress very good for me? They look nice with this dress. Or at least you know. It's very important to try on clothes when you shop. Okay. So what do you wear to the birthday party? Okay. Example, you're going to the birthday party with your friend in school. So what do you usually wear?
I usually wear a dress.
Okay, since it's a party, you usually wear a dress. If it's casual, you will gonna use a short. Okay. Do you often
Okay.
get dressed when going out? Look at them. They're dressed.
No.
No. Okay, what you will gonna wear when you go out like this?
I'm gonna wear a pants.
Okay, you gonna wear a
A
pants,
pants
a jeans, like this,
and a t-shirt.
and a t-shirt. Oh, you're very simple. Okay, what do Vietnamese people often wear to a funeral. Example, there's a relative and the relative died. What you will gonna wear?
Let me think.
Okay, what do Vietnamese people often wear to a funeral? Example, somebody in your family or in the neighborhood died. Okay, so what are the dress that Vietnamese people wear? What do you think, Caroline? Do you have any idea? What do you wear?
We often wear black clothes
You often wear
or
what?
our pants and a polo shirt.
It is polo shirt. And in my country, Caroline, there's a family member died. We usually wear, okay, like black or white shirt, okay? But mostly for the very family, the closest family, they will gonna have to wear white. And there's a small ribbon in the left side. Now, have you ever lost self-confidence because of the clothes that you're wearing? Example, you are this, picture this man. Okay, she lost confidence because she's not comfortable with the clothes that she's wearing.
Yes. Yes, I have.
Okay, have you ever lost confidence? Why did you, when was it, the, when was this happen?
Mm.
Okay, so have
It's
you ever
when
lost your self-confidence? Oh, like you're wearing short and you went to the party and the party is very formal. So have you ever lost confidence? What you were gonna do then?
as well wear a
Okay,
short
short.
dress, short
Yes.
dress.
Yes, short. You were gonna wear a short. Okay. So, and then example, you wear a short and then you find out that
Short.
most of your friends, they're wearing formal dress. So what you will gonna feel then? So will you be alone? Will you be mad? Will you be sad? Or what will you feel?
I think a little sad.
Okay. So somehow when we go to the party, we have to wear something formal. Caroline, always remember that. Is your fashion style different from when you were a kid? Is your fashion style different from where you, okay. Is your
Yes,
fashion style different from 5 years ago?
yes, teacher. 5 years ago, I usually or I always wear a long dress, a pink dress, and yes,
Okay, yes. Okay. So I know 5 years ago, so there is different vocabulary. I mean, different fashion style 5 years ago. So now we are already 2024. Okay, the fashion is different. Okay. Now, describe what you are wearing now and your favorite clothes.
um, I'm wearing a
Mm-hmm.
short and a t-shirt.
Mm-hmm.
My favorite clothes is a polo shirt and a
Okay.
pants because I
Mhm.
feel it's comfortable and yes, I feel good comfortable. Just that.
Okay, so so for you, you will gonna like to wear shirts because for you, it's comfortable. Yeah, it's comfortable. I really love to wear shirts too, Caroline. But then, um, but then I am a teacher, I am in school, and wearing shirts in school for girls is different. Okay, it's really different. Look at that. I fancy jeans so much. Oh, do you love to wear fancy jeans? Like there's a glittering. Do you like it? Some other teenagers love that glittering thing. Do you like it?
No.
Eh, okay, so Caroline, here it is. Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, teacher.
Okay. So Caroline, I will see you on Sunday. Please don't forget and don't be absent on Sunday. I will see you at 5 p.m. Okay? 4 p.m.
Okay,
Sorry, 4 p.m. Okay, Caroline?
okay, teacher.
Okay, but if you like to have class on morning, it would be fine with me. Okay, you tell me first.
No,
Bye-bye.
goodbye, teacher.
Good night.